Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how I can export this project on Canva. We have a lot of animation here and we can export all the project in videos or in presentation without losing any animation. I will show you very quick in this video. Okay, you can see we have this animation here and this animation here. Normally when you export it, you can see the download option. You will choose the download option, and when you want to export it to an image, is we have the notification over here that page with videos, audio and animation. Try to download it in different types. So to keep all the animation, you will have this option. You will have three options that are suitable for you. The first one is Microsoft PowerPoint document. This one when you download the PowerPoint, so when you have some presentation, you can keep all the animation in your project. The second one is the MP4. That means you export this project as a videos. Videos will keep all the animation. The third one is the GIF. This one will save your Canva project as a moving image. So I will try to save in three options. First one is Microsoft PowerPoint. The second one is the MP4 videos, and the third one is GIF. Okay, you can see we have three files downloaded. The first one is Microsoft PowerPoint. So I will open the PowerPoint. You can see all the animation. You can use this one in PowerPoint presentation. Okay, now for the videos, it's exporting all the animation in my Canva project, but it will make the size of the media kind of heavy compared to PowerPoint or image. So we have a third one is a GIF. This one is a moving image. So I will open the image over here, and you can see I'm open the image as GIF, and it's keep all the animation in my Canva project. So that is a way you can export your Canva project without losing any animation. That's all my videos. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.